Back on Luna, and this is gonna be the finalization of this episode. It's not exactly gonna start. Well, maybe we get frisky enough, but we'll see at the end. Well, look at who we got here. You guys have probably missed him, but he ain't been around for a while. Look,
I was sick.
Sick of coming down.
You had a forerunner being down.
Oh, yeah. Again, Wild David back. Look like I'm smudging the camera. Let me take this out.
Can we talk about how they saved me to only do all the mechanic stuff, and then the 1 week I'm out, they decide to go hooning without me?
Okay, wait. No. Let's get this right now. That wasn't planned, and it wasn't 1 week. It was more like 3 weeks, my guy.
It was not.
Was like 3 weeks. Okay, let's go back and count episodes. How many episodes has it been since we haven't seen David? We'll go back and look at that. But yeah, so we're going to be working on Luna. I'm gonna get underneath it right now and take out the old remain seal, put the new one in, put the plate, put the flywheel, put the clutch, and stab the tranny in. Alright, cool. So, you guys just see me put the flywheel, clutch, and pressure plate on. It's all torqued down. And right now, Kavika's putting his Circuit Sport transmission mount on. But he tried to bolt to the transmission first, and it doesn't work like that. So he's dropping everything on the ground. You okay, man? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm just making sure. But yeah, and this guy just sat here and let it happen. What you got to say for yourself?
Bye. I did the same thing. That's the only way you learn. The only difference is this is not his first 240.
It is the first time he's doing a trans mount on a 240 though, on a 240 tranny. So yeah, and it's definitely the first time he's doing a Circuit Sport mount. But yeah, so he's gonna get this done. We're gonna slide this transmission underneath and get this transmission put in the car.
Yeah.
More leverage, right?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Right?
Alright, cool. So, Dave got the drive shaft in. That's all in there. Trans is mounted to the block. Just put the starter in. Vic's gonna put his headers in permanently. Brand new gasket. So this guy going in. Why does this thing look like fun sock? Just plain. So that's it. Kind of mission accomplished. We got the trans in, got the clutch, got the pressure plate, got the flywheel, got the starter, the drive shaft, got the headers. Yeah, I see. Kind of mission accomplished. Transmission got oil in it. Slave works. Slaves bolted up. It's looking pretty good. It's getting there. Slowly but surely. Oh yeah. Finally bolted on the water pump. The top timing cover. This is just dummy mounted for now because I don't want it rolling around on the ground. But yeah, so I think that's what we're gonna call it for this video. Yeah, pretty worn out. I don't even know what time it is, but oh well. But till next week, or the next time we can get on this, next time Kavika's off, we'll be attacking the intake manifold. Let's see, the thermostat housing, the PCV valve, the one for the breather. You know, all the little odds and ends, throwing a wiring harness in and possibly starting this thing up. Let's hope for that, because we pretty much have everything in. We're not really missing anything. We just got to put some work in. So, with that being said, you know the deal. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.